Hello, Mr. Yashar, and maybe also my friends. Of course, if you watch, I'm İlknur, and welcome to my presentation of week 10. In this presentation, I will mention about some advances in 20th century. Yes, and so let's continue with Zoom. Hello again, and welcome again. Okay, I will not talk much because we have 10 topics and uh, I want to just start. Okay, here are our topics generally, and let's start with the growth of 20th century science. In 20th century had many developments in astronomy, chemistry, geology, biology, medicine, and technology. Wow, okay, and this era had faster progress when compared with other centuries, other eras, because it's a technology era. Yes, and science became much more a common effort. Yes, it's normal. Okay. New philosophies. We could also see the the rise of acceptance of new philosophies. People and more philosophies or more and more scientists accept some ideas like for example we can say the American philosophers C.S. Pierce and William James, founders of the philosophical schools of pragmatism, told like Ernst Mach. Wow, how told? They believed that reality could be understood by experience alone. And like this, some agreed with George Hegel's idea that knowledge can be attained only from a priori concept. Priori concept means that background, um, priori informations, priori experience. Yes. And Darwin's theory of evolution became a concept principle among the sciences society. Yes, these philosophies, these ideas accepts by that era's sorry for my ear that era's people. And quantum reality, um to be honest, I have not much information about it, but um this principle is known as the principle of uncertainty for that era's scientists. They have not certain explanation about it. Yes. And progresses in that time changed the way scientists view reality in fundamental ways. Okay. Energy wherever needed. First, what mean I with this title? Let's look. Let me show you. First, electric light and telephone entered the home. Yes, the widespread availability of electricity opened the way to a host of kitchen and other applicants, right? Other tools, kitchen tools, yes. And the vacuum cleaner, the electric iron soon became common and followed during the 1920s and 30s by the refrigerator. It's so important. And washing machine. And we will see them soon after. Okay, washing machine. But in 20th century, energy not just used for them, energy also used for automobiles. Yes, automobiles. But uh, I can I can say that sorry, not right after their productions, their manufactures, manufacturations. Sorry, I just can't remember the right word. Sorry. Its reason is automobiles needs fuels like gasolines, like you know the farmers or the people, other people don't want to meet these demands. They just want first continue using their horses. Yes. Okay. Electricity revolution in technology. Yes. Electricity mostly was used to produce lights, etc. And in 19th century. But in 20th century and end of the 19th century, it started to be used for many other tools, many other devices, like refrigerator, washing machine, yes, and radio, and vacuum cleaner, and etc. Yes, it's so important, right, guys? It's a major, so major advances, right? The 20th century is really important. Yes, and it's so fast, really, it's so fast. Interesting. Science and technology. Okay. In let me think. Sorry. In 1880s, yes, a new kind of laboratories appeared to make something safe, but not just checking safety, but also make something new. And first it was seen first in Germany and then other Europe countries and European countries and United States. It's just circle, and yes, it's it was became it became common. Okay, and in 20th century, as I said, we could see major advances in many fields, many important things in these fields: anthropology, and archaeology, astronomy, biology, chemistry, communication, yes, computers, it's so important, construction, and earth science, electronics, it's so important, most important, I think, energy, food and agriculture, materials, mathematics, medicine and health, physics, tools, and transportation. So important era, guys, don't forget it. And invisible radiation, its discovery happens with William Herschel. William Herschel discovered infrared radiation, which is invisible but heat the thermometer. And in following year, John Bitter found that ultraviolet radiation affects silver chloride more than light. Yes. And another important discovery is Maxwell's electromagnetic waves theory. In 1873, James Clerk Maxwell incorporated infrared ultraviolets and visible light into his theory of electromagnetic waves. Maxwell's theory predicted the existence of radiation with wavelengths longer than infrared and shorter than ultraviolet. Yes. The discovery of X-rays. In 1895, William Röntgen discovered X-rays accidentally. Just look. As I say, the priori presentations, some things just happen with accidents. Yes, like this. And X-rays were initially misunderstood, but were soon used in medical imaging. Yes, yeah, for our bones, like. And discovery of radioactivity in in 1896, Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity while working with a uranium compound that emitted radiation consistently, just with observation, just with accidents. Yes, and radioactivity consists of 3 parts: alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Okay. It's just a process, yes. And I want just information you about this topic. Please just know that there are many important progress in chemistry. Okay. Atoms have parts. As we understand from the picture, let me summarize the picture. The understanding of atoms evolved from ancient Greek ideas through various models to modern concepts involving probability probability-based electron clocks. Yes, and the journey evolved experimental discoveries and theoretical advancements, shaping our current understanding of atom structure. It's a process again, and which starts with ancient Greek. Yes, and this last sites in 1930. And our last topic, guys, the discovery of genus. Gregor Mendel discovered how traits pass from one generation to the next using pea plants. Yes, in like this picture, he just observed the pea plants. Yes, initially overlooked, his work was later recognized by biologists in 19th, 90, yeah, 900, sorry, filling a gap in Darwin's evolution theory. Okay, this marked the start of understanding genus and their role in heredity. So what we saw, the 20th century was really important and has many major advances in also biology. Yes, okay. Okay, thanks for your attention and see you soon. I hope you like my presentation. Okay, bye. See you soon.